Good morning, guys. Terry here. I ordered a warehouse box from Echo Parks Outlet Mall. I did this about a week ago. So the box just came, and it's a huge box. I mean, it's a nice, big, deep box. I can't wait to see what's in here. So I love Echo Park. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see. There's an embossing folder. Cute. Look at that texture. Love that. So this is from Cardabella. So I wonder, I don't know how the companies are related. Little fun, summery, puffy stickers. Cute. Little, they call them paper fans. Cute. Oh, here's another pack. Very colorful. I might have to make like a vase of flowers with those. Some washi tapes. Pretty. It's like a navy blue. Very pretty. What is this? Okay, Mickey Mouse, Disney. Cute. More summer. How cute are those? They're like heavy chipboard. Oh, and a little paper pack. That's pretty. Warm and cozy. How cute is that? Love that. Cute. Oh, here's another one. Summer camp. Really pretty. And some big paper packs. Oh my gosh. I wasn't expecting pads. I was expecting just loose paper. How cute is that? Summer Adventure. Love that. Country Kitchen. Too cute. Mega bundle. Oh my gosh, look at those old-fashioned stickers. Ooh, here's a pretty one. Dots and Stripes. It says Silver Foil Dots Collection. Very cute. Oh, travel paper. Can't wait till we can travel again. Really cute. Oh, pretty colors. Oh my gosh, there's still so much more in here. Metropolitan Girl. That one, I'm not as crazy about the colors, but it's that old muted, really cute. See, I like more like this one, bright and colorful. Dive into Summer, it says. Really cute. Oh, VW Bus. Oh, this one's fun. Oh my gosh, how many packs have I pulled out here? It was $50 for a box. That included shipping and tax. You didn't know what you were getting. This is a lot of paper. I love this one. I might have this one in a little 6x6 pack. So cute. And the last one is a Halloween pack. Now this looks like it was a loose pack of paper. But some Halloween stuff. So how cute are those? That was a lot of paper. I can't believe what all they included in that. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 large paper packs, and then all these little goodies. That is something else. So I'll see if they're still doing it and have a link to it on my website. But that is really amazing. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.